Are you ready? Because I already started.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. I don't know. Off the rip, skill drain. Exchange of the despair and hope. Sword soul assessment. Nightmare. Sky Striker Ace. Cuckoo. Happy with skill drain. Ta-da. Bless the pulls, baby. Pendulum Call. Another Ace Sky Striker. Legendary Ocean. Witchcrafter Hane. Another Sky Striker. Ace Kagari. You want to pull there? Yo, boy! Blackluster Soldier. Envoy of the fucking beginning. What I was trying to get mailed to me. What I was fucking trying to get mailed to me.
Oh, snap.
Woo-wee! Oh, shit, son. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's worth it right there. I'm good. All right, come on, Dark Magician Girl. That's what we're looking for. No way. Blackluster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos. Damn it, brah. Witchcrafter Vice, Madame. Predaplant, Embulidus. Secret Village of the Spellcasters. Sweet money. Oh, I got all. Damn, I'm doing good. Alright, what's next? How about some ghosties? How about some motherfucking ghosties? Yeah, just rip into it like it's fucking Christmas. Ooh. Now, if I pull a ghost rare blue eyes, I'm sending it to my boy. Look at the little baby. Code generator. Zombie world. Pendulum area. That's pretty trippy.
Are these the ones you were saying on boosters?
Yeah.
See? Catch them all.
The agent name. Track Black. That's pretty friggin' dope. Alright. So far, so fucking good. I've wanted one of those cards since I got back into collecting, and I'm quite pleased with that. I think they were just coming out when I started doing dumb shit in like 2004. Oh, look at him. Elemental Hero Neos Kluger. That's pretty dope. All the heroes, Neos, are pretty sought after. Alright, what we got up in here? The Agent of Judgment. What a dick.
Dick.
Fossil Machine Skullwagon. Shadow Vampire. Very good, very good, yes, yes. Moving upwards and onwards, mofo. These boxes are dope, babe, because as soon as you open it, you get a little card inside. That's all saraned up right here. Mm-hmm. And what do we have? We got the old Predaplant. Yeah, good luck spelling that. Tripmody. And we got the old orange guys.
Trippioverodum.
Nice. Sounds like an STD. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna cut right to the good shit. Okay, Evil Hero Adjusted Gold. Alright, Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy. Evil Hero Lightning Golem. Sweet, I needed that. Getting down to the gusto here. Dope. Sweet money. Hell yeah, that's old school right there. And he's a hollow. Sangan. Necroface, homeboy. There's your card. Junk Converter. Yeah. Hell yeah, I think we got what? One more little pack to open. Alright. I like these little random ones. Soldier Gaia the Fierce Nice. That's dope. I've never seen that before. Gaia the Magical Knight. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Alright. Black Luster. Yeah. That'll do, piggy.